In this video, I'll show you how to track room-wise power usage. So, you know exactly where your energy is going. Your total electricity bill doesn't tell you where the power is being used. With room level energy tracking, you can see exactly how many units each room consumes. Identify which room is using the most power, spot unusual usage, and take action to reduce your bill. No more guessing, just clear, actionable insights. Now, I'll show you how to track power usage room by room. Open the Home Automation app. Go to Devices. Select the room where your energy meter is installed to view its real-time power usage. Tap on Power Consumption to view detailed energy usage. Know where your power goes and take control. Thank you